Hello there, I'm Beth and I'm with Craft-e-Corner. We are an online authorized retailer of Cricut products. We also put out inspiration and educational content. Be sure to subscribe to see all of our awesome stuff. Today we're going to make custom sweatpants with the new Cricut Joy Xtra. I am using Smart Iron-On today so that I can do the entire pant leg in one cut. Let's get started. We will need the Cricut Joy Xtra. However, depending on the size you want, you could use any machine capability with the Smart materials. Sweatpants, Smart Iron-On. You will want the size that fits your machine, and an easy press. The first thing I'm going to do is measure the width that I would like my design, as well as the length down the leg. Then, over in Design Space, I use those measurements to create my template, which is the gray box. Then all I do is be sure that my design fits in that template. I plan on cutting the iron-on to fit exactly the pant leg, so it's okay that it's a little bit long. When I like the size of my design, I will hide the template. We don't want to actually cut that, and then hit Make It. It will then take you to the preview screen. This is where we're going to click the mirror toggle. I'm just moving my design over to one side, and I'll hit continue. It will search for my machine via Bluetooth, and then we'll need to select the material. So I click on Browse All Material and choose Smart Iron-On. Alrighty. So then we need to take the iron-on out of the box. And load it into the machine. We will place the shiny side down and place it under the guides on the left and right. Give it a gentle nudge and it'll load. In Design Space, click Go and it will cut. When it's all done cutting, I will weed my design. Next, I need to turn my Easy Press on to 330 degrees for 30 seconds and allow that to heat up. I straighten out my pant leg and move the pocket out of the way. My pants are on top of a Cricut pressing mat as well. Then I can place my design on my pant leg where I want it. My Easy Press is now heated up and ready to go. I can place it right on my design. I will click the Go button and it will begin counting down for us. When that part is done, I just relocate underneath and begin heat for another 30 seconds and continue that all the way down the pant leg. When I get down towards the bottom, I cut it to line up with the seam of that cuff. I then can straighten it out a bit to get the iron-on to lay flat. Give it a second or two to cool down and peel back the carrier sheet. That's it! DIY custom sweatpants to match your style. Thank you for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to see all of our new content. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com for all of your Cricut supplies. See you next time.